Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's talk about the problem at hand. If your Lenovo ThinkPad won't display anything on the screen, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty display connector, a malfunctioning screen, or even a defective motherboard. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making the repair more challenging and costly. For this repair, you'll need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen. Make sure you have an anti-static wrist strap to protect the internal components from static damage. To begin, ensure your Lenovo ThinkPad is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the display connector, which is usually situated near the hinge area. It requires a bit of patience to access it, as it might be slightly tucked away. Carefully disconnect the display cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. Next, you'll need to remove the screen itself. This typically involves unscrewing several small Phillips screws that hold the screen in place. Be cautious while doing this, apply even pressure and avoid using excessive force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, carefully lift the screen away from the frame. Take the replacement screen and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the display cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks back into position. Finally, reattach the back cover of your ThinkPad by pressing it down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Before you put everything away, power on the device to ensure the screen lights up correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo ThinkPad. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to handle your device carefully, avoid abrupt movements, and keep it away from extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance checks can also help in identifying potential problems before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.